Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain amma ba'. The Honorable my lecturer, Miss Yanti MPD. In this time I would like to explain about my literary reading assignment. I would like to explain about my text, Procedural Text by Reza Rizky Abdillah. The first time, I would like to explain about definition of procedural text. A procedural text is a type of text that contains steps or instruction for performing a specific activity or solving a particular problem in a structured and systematic manner. The purpose of procedural text is to provide clear and easily to understood information so that readers and listeners can follow the steps correctly. The second is types of procedural text. The first type of procedural text is simple procedural text, a procedure that contains easy and short steps for carrying out an activity, such as how to make tea. The second type is complex procedural text, a procedure that is more complicated and requires detailed and thorough steps, such as the procedure for making a product or scientific activities. And the last types of procedural text is technical procedural text, typically related to ways of handling technology or machinery, such as how to repair electronic device. And the next is characteristic of procedural text. The first is the tile and sequential steps. Procedural text contain a clear and structured steps that must be followed in order. The second, using instructional sentences. It typically uses sentences that provide instruction or commands, such as take, mix, turn on, and so on. The third, focus on a specific goal. The procedural text has a specific goal to be achieved, such as how to cook a dish or assemble something. The fourth, list of required materials or tools. Often procedural text mention the materials or tools needed to perform the procedure. The next is structure of procedural text. The first is goal. Goal states what will be achieved or met after the procedure is carried out. The second is material or tools. Material or tools is a list of materials or tools needed to carry out the procedure. The third is steps. Steps is a series of actions or processes that must be followed in detail to achieve the goal. And the next is language features of procedural text. The first is imperative verbs or command. For example, take, mix, insert, which are used to give instruction. And the next is declarative sentences. Procedural text also use sentences that state facts or information, such as the required materials are. The first step is. And the next is nouns. Nouns is to refer to the materials, tools, or objects needed. And the next is time and place adverbs, sometimes required to provide additional information on when and where the step should be carried out. And the last is numbers or symbols, used to organize the procedural steps sequentially or to indicate the time order, such as step first, step second, etc. In this time, I will give you one example from procedural text. We have how to make sweet tea. Objective: to make delicious and refreshing sweet tea. Tools and ingredients: 1 tea bag, 1 cup of hot water, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of honey. It is optional. Steps: the first step is prepare hot water, about 200 ml, and pour it into a cup. The second, place the tea bag into the hot water. Let it steep for 3 until 5 minutes to extract the flavor. The third, after that, remove the tea bag and discard it. The fourth, add sugar into the hot tea and stir until the sugar dissolves. The fifth, If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add honey to taste. 6. Stir well, then let the tea cool slightly before drinking. 7. The sweet tea is ready to be served. Enjoy it while it is still warm. Now I'll remember for you if the procedural text have some part, such as the definition of procedural text, types of procedural text, characteristic of procedural text, structure of procedural text, and the last is languages features of procedural text. Please remember about this part from the procedural text. Maybe that's all for me. Before I close my video in this time, I would like to say sorry if I have many mistakes in this video. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.